How to see who shared my post on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see who shared your post on Facebook. Now before we start, if you're new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook. After you open up your Facebook, head over to your menu section on the bottom right. After you're there, you will see a gear icon on the top right. Tap on it. Now after you tap on it, you will be on the settings and privacy section. Scroll down till you find preferences, and under there you should find notifications. Tap on it and make sure that you have enabled each and every one of these notifications. Now make sure that you have just enabled all of these and the other notifications too. So after you've done all of that, what you'll then need to do is head over to the notification section. It's right beside your profile and menu. After you're on notification, you will get each and everything here. So if anyone has shared your post on Facebook, you'll get notified in the notification center. And that is how you can see who shared your post on Facebook. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.